It's a controversy that the BJP is scrambling to end, trying to set the record straight, playing down a rift between their two top leaders. While Sushma Swaraj and Arun Jaitley are reportedly loggerheads over who mentored the controversial Reddy brothers of Bellary, the Karnataka Chief Minister and former party President Rajnath Singh are trying to douse the flames. Reportedly, the RSS is also miffed at this open fight in the senior leadership. It's a new controversy that the BJP can do well without.
A day after Sushma Swaraj's explosive interview,
जिस समय उन्हें मंत्री बनाया अरुण जेटली जी वो प्रभारी.
the BJP desperately trying to play down the rift between the two senior leaders who represent the party in the parliament. Former BJP President Rajnath Singh trying to douse the fire, taking moral responsibility. But in the same breath, admitting that political compulsions made them prop the Bellary mining barons.
कुछ ऐसी पॉलिटिकल कंपल्शंस थी जिसके कारण हमको वह डिसीजन लेना पड़ा क्योंकि साउथ में पहली बार बीजेपी की गवर्नमेंट बन रही थी.
Within minutes, the Karnataka Chief Minister also claiming the Reddy brothers, who have on more than one occasion spelled trouble for him, were inducted into the cabinet at his behest.
ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಹಿತದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಆ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೇನು ಸರಿ ಅಂತ ಕಾಣ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವೇ ತಗೊಂಡಂಥ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಹೊರತು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ಹೊಣೆಗಾರರಲ್ಲ. ಈಗಲೂ ಸಹ ನಂದೇ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿ ನಂದೇ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ.
But even as the BJP tries to convey that all is well, sources are revealing otherwise.
Sources say that the RSS is miffed and has conveyed its displeasure at the open spat between Arun Jaitley and Sushma Swaraj, urging both senior leaders of the BJP to resolve their differences or at least maintain a public perception of having done so.
The Congress meanwhile intensifying its attack.
While Karnataka burns with corruption, the Neros of the Bharatiya Janata Party sitting in Delhi continue to fiddle.
But in all of BJP's defense, it is the Reddys that could find themselves politically isolated. And with the Lokayukta's crucial report on illegal mining allegedly also naming Reddy brothers expected any time now, the BJP could well be trying to distance themselves from more controversy. Bureau Report, Times Now.
We're also getting a reaction from the BJP President Nitin Gadkari, who's also tried to downplay the rift between two senior leaders of the BJP, Sushma Swaraj and Arun Jaitley.